The first thing you'll notice is how nice the case is. It's actually like a little pill, but it is very nicely made, very nice little hard case. You'd expect the strap to come off very easily just because of the way that it looks, because it kind of wraps around it. But the nice thing about it is that it actually does not come off. You could hook this on the outside of your backpack and you do not have to worry about it falling off. The other nice thing is that the zipper is actually quite satisfying. And it all comes out in one go. Opening up the case here, as you can see, these are the glasses. The glasses themselves are also exquisitely made. The only part that I gotta say is probably not very well made are the shields that go on the front of them. But besides these plastic, I can even kind of show you. Besides these plasticky shields, the glasses themselves, very well made. The lenses, very shiny. Obviously, they'll get dirtier as you use them or as you touch them, but they fit very wide heads. I typically have a hard time wearing sunglasses because I have to get the extra wide ones. These fit me and they don't hurt me. So I gotta say, I don't know what Rokid did differently versus every other sunglass manufacturer, but these fit me just fine. I've not had any problems with them. It actually comes with two separate nose pieces, which I actually have the other piece in here just to show, but they are just slightly different. As you can see, one of them is just a little bit shorter than the other. I tend to use the shorter one, I think. I don't know which one I just popped out. I'm going to assume I popped out the shorter one. Put that one back in. But as you can see, it goes in very simply. And once it's in, you don't have to worry about it coming out. The glasses have a USB on the left side when you put it on you. And the USB is actually in the case as well. So as you can see, it's quite a long USB. You plug this end into the glasses themselves, and you plug the other end into whatever else you're plugging it into. I typically use this with my iPad or with my Steam Deck. The other nice thing that these glasses come with is this little cleaning cloth. Obviously, you know, it's hard to mess these up, but they did a great job with that. Very thick. The bottom of the case has a little section here. It also has whatever's behind there. I'm not sure what that is. I'm afraid to pop that out because I don't know if it'll just be like, I don't know. It doesn't feel like that's supposed to come out, so I'm going to leave that in. But it has a little section in here for things. It's a very simple case. I enjoy it. The glasses themselves also have myopia adjustment knobs here on the top for each lens. Overall, the glasses feel very high quality. I've had multiple people tell me it either feels heavy or it feels light on their head. I personally find these to be very light. The other nice thing is, as you can see, they have speakers. Again, people seem to have mixed feelings about these speakers as well, but I find these speakers to be very good, especially for just speakers built into these glasses. I was quite blown away. Obviously, they're not going to beat some like overhead headphones, but they are, in my mind, very close, and I like that. There's not much else for me to really say about these glasses. I think that build quality-wise, everything that these come with is very nice, including the cable. The cable is very nice, high quality. This, again, would be the only thing I would change, but then again, putting it on and taking it off is very simple, and it does the job. So I really can't say that I mind too much that it is a low-quality piece. That might mean replacing it would be easy if it ever breaks, which I don't think it will. It doesn't seem like the kind of thing that would. But yeah, I totally recommend these glasses. I use these on a daily basis now, which is absurd. I wasn't expecting to, but I like them. Anyway, if you would like me to review this, you know, I'll make another review that shows how the use case is and how it actually works, but this is just for build quality. Anyway, I totally recommend it for build quality.